How to record audio in your Premiere Pro? Well, it's very easy to do it. So I will just show you. For example, this is timeline here. And so take the clipper wherever you want to record audio. So here I want to record audio. Now here you can see there is a voiceover record. So if you will take your mouse here, you'll find the option voiceover record. So you just need to click on it and make sure you are connected with your mic or earphone, right, to record it. So I will just show you. And here you can see there's a timer going on. This video I am just showing you how to record audio in Premiere Pro. And when you are done, you just need to click over here, or you can also click on the space bar. Play stop. So here you can see our audio has been recorded. Let me play and you can just hear it out. This video I am just showing you how to record audio in Premiere Pro. And when you are done, you just need to click over here, or you can also click on the space bar. Okay guys, so this is how you can very easily record audio over Premiere Pro. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.